Hi guys, okay, let's continue from where we stopped. Yeah. So when you click on this demo, the phone there was something, in the last video. I don't know. There was actually a form below this. You could see. Let me scroll. I never knew that this phone was showing. You understand? I never knew it was showing. Do you understand? Because this form is not supposed to show. So I think, so it was after I ended the video, the previous video, that I realized that there was actually a form under. You could see. So this form is not supposed to show. That is an easy fix. So I don't know if you guys have they go to this main. If you don't have and okay, go to this main class here and add none class to it. If you know you've already gotten this, then it's okay, you could leave it. But if you don't have this, just include that. Just include this none in your project, in your main, sorry, your main div. So when you refresh, nothing shows. Okay, so when you hit on this, refresh. Okay, now we are going to we are going to create an event list now to listen to this link, so that when it is being clicked, this form goes off and the log sorry, and the login now form shows up. So we are going to be doing that right away. And there's something that I supposed to have done. Inspect element. It is very, very important for you to always have your console. You need sorry, it is very, very important for you to have this console on, just in case you've encountered any error, so it will display it. And having this on, uh, is very, very handy. It is a very, very good practice as a web developer, especially when you write in Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You need to have this. You have to to bring it out, so that when you encounter any error, it will instantly display in here. So it's very, very important, very important. So that is it. So I will be taking it off for now. Okay, so let's head back to our JavaScript now. So let's create a toggle, sorry, an event listener for the login link, which is okay. So we're going to be listing to that link. On click, oops, so don't forget that we've created this we've created a function to handle this, so I'm going to make use of it right away. So it will be execution. So we want to hide the registration div. We want to hide it. You understand? So when you click on this link, this registration form will disappear there. The login form appears. Okay, so we will set this to none. Okay, then the login div will set the display to block. That is all. That is all about it. So let's refresh. So when you hit on this, now when you click on this, you see this place wait and the login form shows up. In our last video I told you that the reason why this why there's no background image right now is because of the fact that there's no internet on my computer right now. It's not that I can't fix it, I can fix it, but I purposely left it like this. You understand? So that you will understand why the background image is not showing. But in my next videos it would be like that. So it is part of the tutorial. Sometimes when you encounter issues like this, you are trying to you where you have situations like this, a situation whereby you use a media file, be probably an image, video, you understand, it's been, you understand, and you included it on your project, and you are building it on your local machine. So when the internet is off, your internet connection is off, and sometimes you try to play these media files or access them in your project and they are not showing up. Sometimes it may not occur to you that, oh, my internet is off, so you get it. So that is why I put it in there, so that you learn. No, this is not supposed to show. Yeah, all right, so that is it. Okay, let me just quickly explain. This is the function, this is the element 1, which is the registration div, and this is the none. Do you understand? So he's trying to say that this one is trying to say that you should remove the class of block from this registration. That you understand it? That is, if it exists, you should remove it and set it to none. So that is what it's trying to say. So I believe I've explained this in our previous video. Okay, so this one is working perfectly well. So the next one that we'll be doing right now, so when we click on this, it should take us back to our registration form, and when you click on this forget password, it will take us to reset password. So let's quickly write that. And the good thing is that we are not going to be writing much code, because we've already written a function to to handle this task. So it's just almost the same as this. So let's start with the registration link, which is this because this is actually a registration link. So let's listen to it. Okay, so in this case, the login div, so we want to hide it. So when we click on this, we want to hide this login div. So the none will take care of that. Then the registration div will display. Let's test. Now let's click it. Oh, beautiful. Now let's do the forget a password. Oh, sorry. Reset a password. Reset link, which is this. So let's listen to it now. So almost almost this. So login, the login div will be set to none. Then the reset div will be set to which display. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, so let's click this forget password. Yeah. So if okay, so all right, okay. So we are going to be writing the final event list now. So far, and it will be for this link. So let's write the final one. So we'll call this reset to login. And all these ones, don't forget that we've created it in we've created these variables in our previous video. So this reset is referring to this, that's pp4. This. Okay, so let's just run it. Do this thing sharply. Okay, execution. Then the current one, which is the reset div, set it to none. Then login div, set it to block. So let's see. Then click on this forget password. Want to log in, click here. Want to log in, register. Everything is working fine. uh, what am I writing? after after question mark I put comma. Oh my god. All right, let me refresh. So everything is working perfectly now. So in our next video we will we would be writing our media query so that the fonts will be responsive. And you should know that this is just a project, so it's not as beautiful as a professional project, let me put it that way. All right, thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Please subscribe to my channel. I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, see you later.